This is the 1-second winged eyeliner technique, a perfect eyeliner style for all eye shapes, including hooded eyes. As the title itself says, it will take you only 1 second to create this winged eyeliner, and I want to show you how it's done. Hi, I am Hajar, and I love to end your makeup and beauty struggles. So if that sounds right to you, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out on every weekend's upload. So let's dive into this tutorial. As this winged eyeliner look is really easy and minimal, I want to focus on prepping my lids perfectly so it will stay the focus of the overall look. First of all, we're going to apply an eyeshadow primer on the lid by Urban Decay. Apply it all over the lid with your fingers. That ensures our winged liner and the other products just to stay in place the whole day. Then we neutralize our lid using a concealer. I'm using a full coverage concealer by Sephora collection. This will help to even out my lid and create a nice canvas for the eyeliner. Now it is time to set the lid with a loose translucent powder by Laura Mercier. Do that before the concealer starts to crease into the lid wrinkles, and if it does, just blend again before applying the setting powder. Now I want to warm up my lid to give it some natural looking contour. I use my Tarte Lid in Bloom palette and dip my blending brush into the light nude brown shade called Smarty Pants. I apply it all over the lid in sweeping motions until the application looks diffused. I also apply the same shade with a smudger brush on 1/3 of my outer lower lash line. Finally, we move to the step of applying the 1-second eyeliner technique. This winged eyeliner doesn't have a triangle, but only consists of one sharp, pointy eyeliner stroke. Just extend your outer lash line by one stroke. You can apply a dot to the point you want it to end, or just as a guide for a straight line. Now you can adjust its length and evenness by filling in gaps and just extending the sharpest point if you want a more elongated look. It is not necessary to apply the basic line, which is the line that covers the upper lash line, but I do it as an optional step for you to see the difference with and without the basic line. On days where I am in a hurry, I just go for the winged liner without the basic line. I curl my lashes to lift them in the next step. Now I apply 2 coats of mascara each eye and line my whole lower waterline with an inner eye brightening pen by Essence Cosmetics. This will help to brighten up my eyes, which I like, but you can skip it if you want. Grabbing the same palette, I choose the shade Flower Child from the palette with a pointy dense brush and apply it around my tear duct to brighten up that part. The eyes just make a fresh looking appearance. You can also opt for highlighting shades, but I wanted this look to be matte overall. Once again, I apply mascara on my lower lashes as well as another coat on my upper lashes. For the lips, I wanted to introduce to you this beautiful warm pink lip product by Essence Cosmetics called Tinted Kiss in the shade Coral Colada. I recommend this gorgeous yet affordable lip tint by Essence. It is super lightweight, so hydrating, and has the perfect everyday warm nude pink hue. Perfect for daily makeup like this. Alright, here is the complete look. On the right side with a basic liner, and on the other side you have only the wing, which is so easy to recreate with just one stroke. Now if you want to pimp up this look, pop in natural looking falsies, which are not too dramatic or dense, or else your eyeliner will be out of focus. There you have it, a soft yet gorgeous eye makeup created with the easiest eyeliner technique ever. Let me know your thoughts on this technique and the look in the comment section. Like always, do not forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it, share it to your loved ones, and subscribe for more easy game-changing tutorials every weekend. Thank you.